running, sir?
No, what's the license plate?
It's a 10.
Tell them we're gonna be code 6 on our vehicle central. Get it back up there, supervisor.
Code 6 on the vehicle, 48 and central. Back up, airship supervisor. Sir, hey! Sir! Turn off the vehicle!
Getting in the vicinity, 13X21 is code 6 on a running from motor vehicle suspect. 4 units in situation, requesting a backup area unit supervisor.
Personnel 15, Rob.
13L50, roger.
Put it out.
13X21 shows in pursuit from Central and 48, requesting backup airship and supervisor.
Tell them where we're going, direction.
On frequency, stand by. 13X21 is in pursuit of a burglary from motor vehicle suspect. Central and 48, requesting a backup area unit and supervisor.
Have a unit meet with the victim to verify we have a crime.
13L50 around monitoring.
Clear me, partner.
Yes, sir. Have a unit meet with the victim to verify we have a crime. Suspect is heading northbound Hooper from 52nd.
Vehicle now, Hooper from 52nd.
Request 4
requesting
units because of
with the victim to make sure we have a
other
crime.
occupants in the vehicle.
Requesting 4 units for other occupants in the vehicles.
There are 4 occupants in the vehicle. Last location northbound Hooper from 54 occupants.
Show us code 6 at Hooper and 46.
Tell him he.
TC'd.
TC'd.
Requesting an RA
Yeah, get an RA.
for a victim at 46 and Hooper.
Watch out for electrical wires.
Vehicle
Watch out for the wires.
TC'd at 42nd in Hooper, 46 in Hooper, requesting an
Watch out for
RA.
electrical wires.
Sure, subject to the backup.
All units block northwest, south, and east, 46 in Hooper. North, south, east, and west, 46 in Hooper.
We got suspect. Hooper. Northbound Hooper. Male black. Blue sweater. Officers making contact.
Heads up. X21, we got suspect.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Anything.
Go on your stomach! Roll on your stomach! Roll on your stomach!
Do not resist. Do not resist. We'll get tased.
I'm not.
Do not
I didn't
resist.
do anything.
Do not resist. We'll get tased.
I didn't do anything.